Hi, hello everybody. Today we're bringing you another great home. This is another classic home. Look at it. It's just beautiful though. We're gonna go see around like we always do first, and then we're gonna go look inside the house. So let's go look at this beautiful property. Let's go. See, this is one of the things that I really love about this property though. Gabriel, the owner, has he's a very proud owner of a beautiful garden. Look at this. I actually became really good friends with him because of his garden. Uh, Look at this beautiful. Look at the job that he's been doing with this. It's just amazing. Look at it. Now let's go look around the house. Now, the lot of this property is quite big though. It's actually really nice though. And we have a deck in the lower part. We're gonna go see it in a minute. Now, look at this. Another thing that Gabriel has done in this property is the amazing garden. Besides the flower garden and the succulent garden that he's got a very nice variety of plants. Look at this. This is what they make shepherd's pie with. I can't remember how it's called though. I'll find out though. I'll let you know. Look at it. And look at all this space. It's just amazing. Check this out. Look at it. This is one of the places this is actually one of the reasons why I like this house so much. Look at what it's got right here though. It's got this deck all the way down here. It's got a beautiful deck with a barbecue area where you're hiding away. You're really hidden. It's really hidden away from everything. And look at this. You got this wicked deck with this view. Watch. And then you have this view from this amazing deck, and you're hidden away from everybody, and there's no sound. There's a barbecue table right there, but you can actually have like a jacuzzi right here or whatever, and then you have the barbecue right there, which is amazing. And because it was built so well, you can actually do a light construction on top. Check out the deck. You can see it back there, and you can see it like we're right in the middle of the forest. See that? It's beautiful though. Now let's go and see the house. Now, things to notice about this home that are actually very good though. This is actually a filter. It goes all around the house, so it gets protected from humidity inside the house. That's it though. This is one of the master bedrooms. Look at it with that view. It's wicked. We're gonna go see it from the inside though. But check this out. Isn't that beautiful though? And now let's go. Actually, we're gonna go first into the terrace, and then we're gonna go inside the house. I want to show you this first though. This is what I'm talking about. Now, look at this. Now, check this out. This is the terrace. This is actually the terrace right here. It's actually really nice. We got a barbecue area right here. We got the sitting area, dining room right there, and sitting area right here. So it's just wicked though. Kitchen is just right there. You can see it's got a barn. Let's go look at it. See what I'm telling you about? It's got this barn which is actually wicked. So you can open all these spaces and have breakfast right here or whatever. This is what I was telling you about. See, it's got this filter all the way around the house. Look at the garden right here. And it's just wicked. So now we go in here. So we come through here, and look what we find. Isn't that beautiful though? I think it is. Now, let's go inside the house. So now we're gonna go inside the house. Look at this beautiful double door, solid wood. We keep on going and we find all this. Beautiful. Living room, dining room, chimney, and we keep on going. And look at this. See, we just show you this, and then you turn around and you go, wow. Now, let's go and show you the rest of the house. Now, check this out. Now, let's go into the kitchen. It's just beautiful. This is such a great kitchen. Look at it. It's nice and ample. Look at all the storage space that it has. Look, I mean, it's got so much space to store your stuff. It's beautiful. Okay. Now check this out. From this kitchen, it's actually really cool though, because it's got an exit to the back, right where the terrace is, so you can actually be with your guests. And we got all this space, all this cabinets, amazing to store everything you want right here. We got more spaces right here, and a space for a double fridge. So it's actually really good. Now we keep on going and we find the laundry area in the garage, the exit to the garage. This is the laundry area right here. You can see maid's quarters, which we're always gonna have, and this is the entrance from the garage. 2 steps from the kitchen, which makes it very, very good though. Check that out. Double spaces. Look at the lamps. Just beautiful though. Look at the TV room. Beautiful. Classic. And with this exit to the back. Look. Isn't it beautiful? I think it is. Gorgeous. Now let's go and look at the rest of the house. Let's go through here. Now, to notice, see there's a lot of art in this place. Now we got closets right here. Beautiful. And check that out. We go all the way to the back. Beautiful. Another bedroom. Lots of light. Beautiful. Closet. His own washroom. And look at that gorgeous view. This master. Beautiful. Master washrooms. His own chimney. I love the high ceilings. Look at that. The high ceilings are beautiful. And even better, that view from the master. Like, I mean, imagine, it's just beautiful. Just gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful. I know I'm saying beautiful a lot, but it deserves that word. It does deserve it because it's a beautiful place. Not for everybody. I mean, I know that, I understand that, but I think it's just marvelous. And the other bedroom, also with a closet and a washroom. So we have right here, we go back and to this living spaces. This is a home that has 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, library space, everything, and we'll also have maid's quarters complete. So I guess this is it for this property. I'm gonna put all the details of the property right below so you guys can check it out. Give you all the details of the land, construction, HOA, administration. Administration fees is HOA, taxes, which here are extremely cheap. If you guys want to see it, let me know. This is actually my friend's posting. It's Carlos Borgia is posting. This is very good friend of mine, really good realtor here in the city of Medellin. Anyway, guys, if you guys want to see this property, let me know. My name is Thomas from realestatemedellin.info. Goodbye for now. See ya. Bye-bye.